In this video, we're going to talk about how long it takes for funds to settle inside Charles Schwab. So I actually found an article from their help site over here at schwab.com, and as you can see, it says that for most equity transactions, the settlement period is 3 business days from the day your order executes. So your answer here is 3 days, and in case you're asking yourself, what does it even mean to have your funds settled? Over here, they offer an explanation. So it says settled funds are incoming cash, such as deposit or wire, available margin loan value, and settled say proceeds of fully paid for securities. Okay, so that's what settled funds are. However, over here it says if the credit balance is a result of an unsettled sale or of securities, certain restrictions may apply. So of course, what you would like to have is settled funds, because that means you can use them freely in simple language. And as I said, it takes 3 business days, usually most of the time, for your funds to become settled. Now, if I go out here, as you can see, if you simply Google Charles Schwab, how long for funds to settle, it will give you this answer, and you can then read this entire help desk over here. It says unsettled funds, Charles Schwab, and if you click on it, you can read the entirety of this website over here to get a better understanding of what settled and unsettled funds are and why those occur, as well as some examples over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.